Hello friends. Today we will learn about Google Classroom. One is if you don't know how to join a Google Classroom, then in that case, how to go about. So just go to Google and type Google Classroom. And once you do that, you see these windows appearing. Just click on the first option, which is Classroom. And once you do that, a page opens up. This is about Google Classroom. Now it tells about that how you can go about. So as a student, your job would be to joining a classroom. So your teacher must have definitely shared a code with you to join the Google Classroom. So therefore you see the plus symbol here. So if you are doing it for the very first time, then you have to click on this plus symbol and it tells you to join class. So for the teachers, they can create classrooms through this option, but for the students, they can join by clicking on this. So once you click on join classroom, this is only for the first time. Later, once you have joined it, then you don't have to do it again and again. So if you are doing it for the first time, you just have to click ask your teacher for the class code. Now your teacher must have shared a class code with you. So you have to type the class code here. And once you type the class code here, you have the join will already lighten up. It will get highlighted. So once this gets highlighted, you can click on it and you are part of the class. This is how for the joining of the Google Classroom for the first time. Once you have joined and your teacher posts attendance and you want to mark yourself present. So in that case, when you go to so you will see the 4 sections here. So suppose you go to your Google Classroom. This is the classroom page. You will see 4 sections here. Stream, classwork, people and grades. People is for the teachers to see that how many students are there. Grades is again for the teachers. Once they post assignments, they will mark you and the grades will be appearing. But this is only for the teachers. Now classwork is basically for the students. So when your teacher has given you attendance, you can go to classwork. Click on this option. And once you click on classwork, you will see a link of daily attendance there. And once you click on daily attendance, you will be seeing that there will be an option present, absent, yes, no. You just have to click here and mark yourself. So once you mark yourself as present, your attendance has already been submitted. That is how you have to give your attendance in Google Classroom. So once you see your teacher has posted about attendance, you just have to click on it. This is the page which will be visible to your teacher. The teacher will be able to see that how many people have been present and how many have been absent. So the teacher can see there were 106 students, out of which 102 have been marked present, 4 have been marked absent. It shows to the teacher everything, how many turned in late. So whenever teacher gives you daily attendance, teacher also gives you a due date and a timing, which means this attendance has to be marked by this date and this time. And if you are not able to do by this date and this time, then later on if you mark it, teacher will be getting a message that so and so submitted it late along with your date and timing. So you have to be careful about the date and timing of marking your attendance so that you do it every day on a regular basis as and when your teachers tell you to do it depending upon the lectures, but make sure that you do it in the due date and the time, otherwise you'll be marked late. So please remember that for marking attendance, you are supposed to go to classwork section. And once you go to classwork, you will automatically see the attendance thing there. And once you see attendance, just click on attendance there. And the attendance will be marked. And there will be 2 options, present and absent. You just have to click on present and your attendance is done. Okay, this is the 2 options which you will see. There's no need to post any comments. Until and unless it is very important, you can just mark yourself in these check boxes, tick there and thing is done. That is how attendance has to be marked. So I hope the video might have taught you about two things. One, how to join a Google Classroom. That is only for the very first time. Once you have joined it, then you will always be seen in this class. You can easily download the app, Google Classroom app, on your mobiles. And once it is there, every time you will be getting notifications of attendance. You can mark it from your mobile itself. You will be getting notifications for any material which your teacher has posted. So all updates will be there on your mobile itself. You just have to go and download Google Classroom app, and you can do all these things right from your mobile. So I hope this video must have made a lot of things clear, so that next time when you have to mark your self attendance, you will not make a mistake. So do share your comments, do like the video, and do subscribe the channel for more such updates. Till then, bye bye.